My name's Mike Cerna. I'm 29 years old, happily married, firefighter, paramedic. I live in North County, San Diego in Vista. I saw the commercials for SDG&E saying that they were going to do the peak pricing stuff. I thought, man, my bill is already expensive. So I started looking into solar and I really wanted to get my bill down. Semper Solaris really stood out for a number of different reasons. Customer service has been excellent. You know, you guys seem to have top-notch equipment, and really what sold me was the customer service was definitely above and beyond. My experience with Semper Solaris has been really good. Right away, just from the initial phone calls, you guys were very prompt to reply. You know, the salesperson, Rami, who came to my house, was not very pushy. He was confident in the product that you guys have. The installation crew came here on time. They're very professional. They got the job done and installed 12 panels in a timely manner, and Semper Solaris was really good with just continuing to follow up with me and making sure if I had any other questions, that stuff could be answered. I have noticed huge differences having the solar. Not having to worry about my bill as much has been the biggest thing, and I anticipate paying it off fast due to the 30% back from taxes. So I'm really hoping to get that thing down. I would tell anybody who's thinking about going solar to absolutely do it. And as far as companies, Semper Solaris is definitely the #1 company in my opinion, from the customer service to following up. And the app is great. I can get on there and check daily how my energy consumption is and that type of stuff.